I see,
come on,
I see,
let's go.
I see.
I know. It's cool. Bye, guys.
Bye,
Be
Cheryl.
well.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Nice to see you.
Bye-bye. Yep.
Very cold. Oh my God, look at the water.
Yep.
No. The sun is rising. It's splashing, the water is splashing. It's low tide though.
Oh yeah, and the wind's from the southwest, so it's pushing the water out. See how shallow it is here? See where the seagull's walking? Look where it's landing.
Oh yeah.
See that?
Yep. Do you need to get that float?
No, I haven't gotten any instruction yet. I think the town's gonna just. I wouldn't be surprised they just leave it in.
Really? Is that fine?
As long as it doesn't ice.
I think this area is, it doesn't
As long as
ice.
as long as it doesn't ice. Yeah.
The wind is blowing.
Yeah, this is definitely blowing more than. This is blowing more than what they forecasted. This is.